Hello friends, it is Kelly back with another scrapbook layout for you. I am working on these pages that I created a couple of videos back. I will link that below if you're interested to see. So what it is I just used some scraps that were in my scrap bin to create base pages. And then after the video process, I asked people which ones they would like to see completed. And this was one of the top choices. And then I had another, I had a few different answers, but this was one. And then the one you'll see next was another one that people wanted to see completed. So I am scrapbooking some photos of my granddaughter who is playing football in a sundress, and because she's really cool like that. She likes to look cute, she likes to play sports, so I think that makes her super cool. And I love this title, Girls Rock, for this layout. I thought it was very appropriate because who says girls can't throw a football? So anyway, it's been a little while since I've uploaded a video, just mainly because we're starting back to school. We're doing professional development days, and last week was our first week back, and life has been and is going to be for the foreseeable future pretty busy and crazy. So I probably will not be able to upload as many layout process videos, but as soon as I'm able to get into a routine, because right now nobody really knows what it's going to be like. So I do know that I'm going to be a mobile librarian for kindergarten through 5th grade. So instead of them coming to the library, I will be bringing library books to them. And we have to quarantine our library books for once a student returns the library book, we have to quarantine it for 72 hours. And the school I'm at right now is we have a pretty low inventory of books for various reasons. But so all that is to say that this school year is very kind of up in the air still. I'm not sure how everything's going to work out, and I'm just happy to see the kids and get back to work and hopefully find some normalcy into all this craziness and get into a routine. And once I am able to get into a routine, I will be hopefully have time to scrapbook more than what I will have for a while. Anyway, that was a long rant about about a lot of things. So anyway, so as you can see in this layout, it's super simple to put together. There's most of my decision making was done because I had the base page completed. And so really for this layout, I just wanted to create 3 different clusters in a visual triangle. So I have a circle in each triangle, or I'm sorry, I have circles in each cluster. I have a flower embellishment that I created with punches a while back. I'll link that video below too, when I made my serendipity borders. And so I'm getting some of those supplies used up as well. And I'm kind of wanting to put a rainbow in each cluster, but I only have 2 in the colors that I want. So I think that I end up not using those. And then I'm going to put enamel dots in each cluster. And so you'll see here with just repetition of elements and the visual triangle, it makes, when you're trying to get a layout done quickly, that's the fastest way. Just It's tried and true, and it always makes for a good, visually appealing layout, in my opinion. So I'm almost coming to the end of creating this one, and I will show you some close-ups. All right, and here is the second layout. So you're getting a 2-for-1 layout process video. So this is the second most voted for base page. And as you can see, I'm keeping this one super simple with, I'm using pre-made title that says friends. I turned a picture of me and my two besties black and white to make it kind of match all the, the colors that I had, because the colors we were wearing actually probably would have worked, but I just wanted to, because this is such a busy layout, I kind of wanted to tone the picture down just a little bit. So I used the gold glitter thickers in the word friends. And then I'm using some word stickers that will end up around the page. And this layout is going, I mean, it already obviously is, it already has a lot of layers, which I love this look. Love, love, love it. And so underneath all these little layers and all these different colors and textures, I'm going to layer some stickers and some little things poking out from underneath. I just love the interest that it creates. So in order to bring that, the gold glitter, the thickers, I wanted those to be represented around the page in more than one place. And the same thing with this layout. I created a visual triangle pretty much with 3 different clusters around, embellishment clusters around the page. I just pulled out some die cuts, and most of these are from Heidi Swap. And these are things that I already had out on my desk that I just wanted to, I didn't go digging for a bunch of different more embellishments. I just kind of used what I had in front of me. And I had quite a bit because I had been working on this and a couple of other things. So, and I love how this one ended up turning out. I'm just, right now I have not adhered much. I was just kind of laying things around to see if I liked them. And the things that I do like, I will just go ahead and start sticking down, and things I don't, they just move off the page. So how about you guys? Have you started back to work? Has your life become any more normal? I'm having to adjust to wearing a mask, and that teaching and wearing a mask it's hard. And I'm almost 50 years old, and I've never worn a mask in my life. So trying to remember to put like if I'm in the library and I walk out, if I'm by myself, I don't have the mask on. If I walk out into the hallway, I have to have my mask on, and I've caught myself about 10 times having to turn around and go get my mask back on. So I'm having to learn new habits, and it's hard to teach an old dog a new trick. So how about you guys? Are you back to work? Is life back to normal? Or are you still social distancing and staying home? Just curious to see how other people are doing around the world. Here in Texas, we have a mask mandate and we still are supposed to be social distancing, but life is pretty much, I mean, you go out and it's busy. People are everywhere. So I kind of liked it when everybody was quarantined and you would go to the grocery store and there was hardly any traffic out. I kind of enjoyed that. But now traffic is just back to normal. And I'm glad that life is returning. I really am. All right, guys, I'm almost done with this layout. And as you can see, I will, at the end, I will add journaling to that little library card over there on the side. And add a few, of course, I have to add some more layers, some more word stickers, some more stickers. More is better, right? And here are the close-ups. I really appreciate you guys watching. I hope everyone is well and staying safe. And if you enjoyed this process video, please leave me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye.